Hi, I'm Dr. Jensen. I want to demonstrate using a casting kit for making Foot Levelers orthotics. This is something that we've been using for many, many years. In the case that you don't have a scanning device, this is a great alternative. So what we're going to do is have the patient hold onto the chair. I'm going to slide the casting kit under her foot. Just rest your foot on the casting kit. Go ahead and step down with all your weight. Keep equal weight on each foot. I'm going to push your knee back a little bit. And then we're going to push the toes down into the foam all the way so that we're sure to get the full length of the foot. Go ahead and pick that foot straight up. Okay? And now pick up your right foot. Slide the box under there. Okay, step down with all your weight. Keep weight on both feet equally. We're going to push the knee back a little bit and press the toes down into the foam and step straight up. Perfect. So we've got an excellent cast of both feet. The thing that jumps out at me right away, I look at the medial arch area on each foot and you can see that her right foot is much flatter than the left foot in that medial arch area, pointing out the importance of addressing the asymmetry in the foot foundation with flexible custom orthotics.